Hi guys, it is, let me turn this down. So it is Wednesday, and it is, well, when I first woke up, it was, very windy, which I knew it would be, and then it was raining, and now it's more of a rain-snow mix currently, which I knew was all gonna happen. So, soon we're gonna get, like, full-on snow, and the strength of the storm, like, it increased so much. The storm that's gonna hit us, it increased so much, so it's causing blizzard warnings, and we went from a winter storm advisory to a watch to a warning all in one day. So we have all that, and now I gotta go off to work. Yeah, I'm very tired. And I just like the fact that, like, I'm trying to help people understand the weather. But if they're not willing to learn, then I'm not going to teach them. Because if they call me a liar, that means they're not learning. So, just to note that storms can change within minutes. Even if you're not fully paying attention to them like me. So, yeah.
Oh my god, it's snowing! This is ridiculous. It's coming down very thick. But this is awesome.
Alright, so I got home early from work, 2 hours. Because it was so slow at work. Hi. Thank you. But yes, it was really slow at work, and so we were slowly sending people home, and they were just like, Amy, go home. And it's like, okay. So I got home, and then I cleared off another round of snow, and it's coming down about like 2 inches per hour. And I have some picture time lapse that I took this morning. Like every hour I took a photo outside. So yeah. And it also turns out the power went out in my house this morning, so that means the internet got disconnected from my computer while I was uploading yesterday's vlog. So yeah, that is currently uploading. It is at 76%. Ooh, it's gonna be so much fun. There he goes! Yeah, he ran off to the garden over on the other end. Look at all that snow.
And we haven't been able to see out that window since about 8:30.
Wow, 8:30. It's ridiculous. Ooh, kitty. Garth will end up outside?
Well, if Garth goes outside, it won't be for a little while.
We'll find him again.
No, you'll see him. He's orange. You'll see him in the white. Is Revan out?
He's right behind you.
Revan? Oh. This tree is very low.
This is coming fast now.
My dad got the fire going. That's because we lost power this morning and the house got really cold. It was out for like an hour. But still, get a nice warm toasty fire. There was a cat. There's a kitty. Who's that cold? There's the kitty. Hey, Beth. So cute. Staying warm? You staying warm? You're staying warm. Oh, can I get the foot going? I got the foot to go. Playing some Wii? Are you on my Wii? Oh, you're just a beautiful kitty. Such a cute kitty trying to stay warm. No, we'll probably get to put a nice blanket tonight. Yep. Alright, so to give an update, the snow intensity has slowed, but it's still pretty heavy and all that. Show you guys. It's, our pine tree is hanging down really low now. But like I said, it's slowed down now. It's not as strong as it was earlier, which is good. Well, it officially stopped snowing, and the sun is actually starting to come out. But it's obviously not going to last too much longer. It's not going to melt anything because it's still cold, and it is about 5:30 at night, so the sun's going to fully set in the next hour, hour and a half-ish. Keyword ish. But yeah, this was an interesting day. I heard my work finally had closed down at 3 o'clock because the big district manager was like, yeah, you guys aren't making any more money, so yeah, shut down. Even though we told him, it's like, we've had business in 3 hours. And he's like, I'll just go home and leave someone there. What a jerk. Alright, so I finished all of my math homework, which is weird because it usually takes like forever to do it. And now I'm just sitting here watching some movies. I pulled up Ted. I don't know why. I have never seen it. And I still don't know why I pulled it up. But I guess I'm gonna watch it because I have nothing better to do. I don't have to go to bed because I don't have to work in the morning. But yeah. I guess I'm gonna watch Ted. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's been a long, tiring day of going to work and going home early, and then just so much happening because of the snow. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. Probably edit this vlog tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I wanna sleep. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.